So how to transfer money from your Revolut account to your bank account. Today in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that, so follow up with me. First, open the Revolut app and wait for it to fully load up. Of course, make sure you have it updated for it to work properly. Now from this screen, tap on the transfer button at the bottom of the screen right there. It will take you here. You should have your contacts here. You can choose not to. But you should now tap on the add new button in the top right corner of the screen, and once you'll be taken here, tap on bank account at the top right there. Wait for it for a couple of seconds, and under individual you find all of the information that you should fill up for the bank account that you're sending the Revolut money to. Now after that, tap on add beneficiary at the bottom. You should be taken to a screen in which you have to fill up the address of that bank, or basically your address, and once you tap on continue again, you'll be taken to a screen that looks like this, in which you need to set the amount of money and tap on continue, and that's how we do it. I hope this video is helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.